right. Well, we're at my granddaughter and my three granddaughters and my one grandson's graduation. We're here at a dinner, family dinner, and this is my brother Jesse. You notice him as wise out too. And that's his hat that he bought from Atlantic City. Where you get that hat from?
Atlantic City, last summer. And look, all of my hats. So it's a spring, summer look. It's like a spring, summer look. My hat, see that? It's paper. 90% paper, 20% polyester from China.
That's
it's
it.
Spring and summer hat. Look.
He decided to wear it today when he went on his out into our graduation, to the graduation. So we'll show you more.
Spring and summer look. If you want to dress for the summer, in the springtime, here's this right here. The hat is very important. Summer and spring. All right? Thank you very much.